Hi, in today's video I'd like to introduce you to this really nice hunting blind. It can fit 2 to 3 person at a time. This hunting blind is really packed with nice features. It is waterproof, windproof. It will also give you protection from bugs and insects. The 270-degree viewing angle provides you plenty of visibility around your blind. All 3 side walls are made out of mesh material, so they're completely transparent. The back door is waterproof and windproof, but also has a small window that can be open or closed, and also the D-shaped door that can be zipped. It also has these lock hooks that allow you to lock that D-shaped door and will prevent you from opening on the outside. This window rail system allows you to open and close windows without making any noise, which is important when you're hunting. Also comes with this nice little chair that is very lightweight, very actually comfortable to sit on. This hunting tent made out of really good and tough material. Feels very heavy duty. The zippers are very heavy duty and the material is really tough and strong. I love the camouflage pattern as well. It blends in really nice in the woods. It comes with metal stakes and 4 guy lines, so to stake it down in case of a windy day. It comes with a carry bag, and also it's very easy to put it together, pop these sides and roof out, and it kind of falls into place. Overall, this is highly functional and high quality hunting blind. I'm 6'4", and this is a very spacious setup that I can spend here all day and without getting too claustrophobic.